Davis, guarded by Pachulia, got his hands on it. Now Curry flicks it ahead. Green collects it, pummels it down. Holiday will try again. He can't hit. Curry the lead feed, Iguodala the patience and the flush.
For Jalen, it was about the guy's triple-double threat every night.
Thompson the steal, trying to beat the Fleet, and does with a righty hammer. Around the green screen, try to get it back to him, and Cousins knocked it away. Here's Holiday with Thompson and Durant getting back, and it's Durant with the block after the holdup from Thompson.
By play, doing a nice job, just trying to stay between him and the basket. It allows Kevin Durant to close and send that thing out of bounds.
It was pretty cool, and I think I held my own. So.
Well, Nick Young held his own right there as he powers down the alley-oop, making Jordan Bell. Iguodala, guarded by Crawford. Here is Thompson, excellent look to West. It sets up Durant. He got it in the corner. Iguodala bounds it to himself, and then nearly lost it on the drop. Iguodala says, "Okay, I'll just take it." Plus the foul.